In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Squarespace website. We'll be using Squarespace's built-in export tool, which is a simple way to save compatible content from your site. Before you begin, just keep in mind that Squarespace exports content in a WordPress compatible format. So this is especially useful if you want a backup of exportable content or if you plan to move material into another platform later. To get started, log into your Squarespace site and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click the settings icon. This will open the main settings area for your website where you can manage different site options. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find import and export content. Click on that option to open the section where Squarespace handles content transfers. If you don't see it right away, take your time and scroll carefully because it's located farther down the page. Inside the import and export content area, click export. This starts the process of creating an export file for your website content. Squarespace will then ask you to choose an export format. From the available options, click WordPress. Even if you are not moving to WordPress specifically, this is the format Squarespace uses for exporting supported content. It packages your content into a file that can be downloaded once the export is finished. Next, select a collection to export. A collection typically refers to a specific group of content, such as certain pages, blog posts, or other supported sections of your site. Choose the collection you want included in the export. If you're trying to save specific content, make sure you select the correct collection before continuing. After that, click Export again to confirm and begin generating the file. At this point, Squarespace will start preparing your export in the background. Depending on the amount of content in the collection, this may take a little time. So be patient and let the process finish completely. Once the export is ready, you'll see a download button. Click download to save the export file to your computer. It's a good idea to store the file somewhere easy to find, like your downloads folder or a dedicated backup folder so you can access it later if needed. And that's it. That's how to download your Squarespace website content using the export feature. Just remember that not every part of a Squarespace site is always included in an export. So if you need a complete backup, you may also want to review what content is supported by Squarespace exports. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.